Some dads can fix anything, build everything, and somehow make do with old tools, but they almost never buy upgrades for themselves. That's why in today's video, we're counting down 10 rugged workshop essentials every dad needs, but will probably never add to the cart on his own. From practical garage organizers and powerful cleanup tools to everyday workshop gear that makes projects easier, safer, and more enjoyable, these picks are built for dads who love creating, repairing, and getting things done. Whether you're shopping for Father's Day, a birthday, or just looking for workshop inspiration, this list has something every hands-on dad will appreciate. Number 1. I thought the trail was going to break me. One sharp step, and my ankle screamed in panic. Then the pack opened, and everything turned silent. At first, I feared it was just another bulky kit, but inside sat a tiny yellow lifesaver. Adventure Medical Kit, ultralight, watertight, 5. It fits right into your pack's side pocket. No digging, no delays, no desperate searching. And that mattered when the wind started hammering down. The Dryflex inner bag stayed sealed through the chaos. Water outside, supplies dry inside, perfectly protected. Even the outer bag fights off rain with confidence. Then came the real danger. A nasty blister. The moleskins were already there, waiting like rescue. Bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and ointment followed. Every common outdoor injury had a fast answer. A sting, relief, a scrape, cleaned and covered, a splinter, picked out in seconds. Even muscle aches met medication head-on. It felt like carrying calm inside the storm. For hikers, bikers, and climbers, that changes everything. Because on the trail, small injuries become big threats. This kit is built for up to 2 people, and up to 2 days of adventure. Lightweight enough to forget, reliable enough to trust, compact, waterproof, prepared for the unexpected. I recommend it to every serious outdoor traveler. Don't wait for panic to expose your weakness. Pack the Adventure Medical Kit and move with confidence. Number 2. Dusk settles softly, and the trail begins to glow. You zip up your pack, ready for one more adventure. Then darkness deepens, and the path fades away. That moment feels lonely when your hands are already full. So you reach for a light that understands your pace. This rechargeable headlamp shines wide, bright, and beautifully steady. Its 230-degree beam lights your world without head movement. You see more ahead, more beside you, more with confidence. When you need focus, the spotlight reaches exactly there. No guessing, no fumbling, just clear vision where it matters. And when your hands are busy, motion sensor mode helps. A simple wave turns the light on or off. Even with gloves on, the control still feels effortless. 6 lighting modes adapt gently to every moment outdoors. Soft silicone and an elastic band feel light on your head. At only 2.47 ounces, it almost disappears while worn. Fold it, slip it into your pocket, and go. Rain starts falling, but your plans do not have to stop. With IPX4 waterproof protection, the night stays manageable. From camping to hiking, it supports every step forward. From fishing to cycling, it keeps your focus free. From repairs to late walks, it brings comforting light. Because the best gear should feel like a helping hand. It should protect your rhythm, your comfort, and your journey. It should make dark moments feel safer and warmer. It should let you move naturally, with both hands available. This headlamp does exactly that, quietly and reliably. For outdoor lovers, it becomes a trusted companion at night. For every adventure, it brings light closer to your heart. Choose the headlamp that keeps your path bright. Take it with you, and step into the night with confidence. Number 3. Tired of hunting for tools before every project? Meet the Keter Stack and Roll Modular Tool Organizer. Reason 1. 3-piece storage keeps everything sorted fast. Cart, toolbox, and parts organizer work together perfectly. No more digging through piles of mixed-up hardware. Clear lid top lets you see small parts instantly. Screws, nails, bits, and accessories stay easy to grab. Reason 2. It rolls wherever your work takes you. Metal telescopic handle makes pulling it smooth and easy. Large 7-inch wheels, handle garages, driveways, and job sites. Side grips give you extra control when lifting. Reason 3. Built tough, yet surprisingly lightweight. Durable resin stands up to daily DIY use. Audible latches snap shut, so your gear stays secure. Drawer lock bar adds peace of mind on the move. This system saves space while keeping your setup organized. Stack the pieces, separate them, or roll them together. That flexibility makes it perfect for homeowners and handymen. It works great for repairs, hobbies, and garage storage. Keep hand tools ready, power tools protected, and parts sorted. Use it for weekend projects or everyday professional work. You get portable storage without the usual mess. You get faster access without wasting time. And you get a cleaner workspace instantly. If your tools matter, your storage should too. Upgrade to a system that moves as hard as you do. Make every project smoother, simpler, and more organized. Grab the Keter Stack and Roll and take control today. Click now. Simplify your setup and start working smarter. Number 4. Ever tried hearing music over a drill and a leaf blower? Because apparently my ears signed up for factory-level chaos. At that point, even my phone speaker was crying. Then I found this tiny yellow flex machine, DEWALT's wearable Bluetooth speaker. Yes, it's actually smaller than your lunch excuses. But somehow it drops huge pro audio sound, like pocket-sized speaker, stadium-sized attitude. And it handles music and calls without begging for mercy. That built-in mic? Hands-free calls while your hands stay busy. Because multitasking is easier when your gear isn't dramatic. Look at that clip. 4 times stronger, so it grabs harder than your boss on Monday. One-handed open, snap it on, done. Shirt, vest, tool belt, backpack, it just locks in. And it weighs less than 2 ounces. Honestly, I forgot I was even wearing it. Which is wild, because it sounds way too big for that. Dad on the job site? Perfect. Dad in the garden? Still winning. Dad at the lake? Same speaker, different flex. It's IP56 dust and water resistant, so no panic mode. A little dirt, a little splash, it keeps showing up. Now it even stands on its own. That footer means it can chill on a bench or ledge, like a tiny boss with big speakers and 0 issues. You also get a carry pouch, because rugged should still be organized. Job site, weekend, toolbox, trail. This thing refuses to stay home. Basically, it's the speaker that works harder than most people. If your dad loves loud music and tough gear, this is it. Clip it on, turn it up, and let the job site hear you coming. Number 5. After drywall work, dust covered everything and cleanup felt endless. My vacuum clogged, overheated, and left tiny debris behind. I was losing time before every new job started. Then I spotted the DEWALT 20V Max hand vacuum. The rugged yellow build instantly looked job site ready and tough. I kept scrolling, then saw it handled wet or dry messes. That changed everything for garage, car, and workshop cleanup. What hooked me first was the HEPA wet-dry filter. It traps 99.97% of dust at 0.3 microns. That means cleaner air and way less mess floating around. I also loved the dual cleanup modes. Front nozzle for quick pickups, hose for hard-to-reach spots. No more stopping to move tools, cords, or extensions. The 20V max battery power makes it totally portable. I can grab it and clean anywhere, instantly. The half-gallon tank is bigger than it looks. I empty it fast with the heavy-duty latch. The washable filter makes maintenance ridiculously simple. Just tap it or rinse it with water. The rubber hose feels flexible, durable, and built to last. The one-hand switch is perfect when I'm moving fast. Now, cleanup after drilling, sanding, and spills takes minutes. No cords, no hassle, no excuses. It turned my worst cleanup chore into a quick win. If you're a contractor, DIYer, or homeowner, listen up. This is the kind of tool you reach for daily. Why keep fighting messes with weak, inconvenient vacuums? Get the DEWALT 20V Max Hand Vacuum now. Save time, clean smarter, and stay ahead of the mess. Are you ready to upgrade your cleanup game today? Number 6. Every weld tells a story of skill and pride. But even the strongest hands feel the strain. When slag clings stubbornly, precision matters most. And comfort becomes essential through every hard-earned pass. Meet the ESTWING welding chipping hammer, built for professionals who demand more from every tool. Its one-piece forged steel construction feels solid and dependable, made from American steel, crafted with lasting strength. The fully polished head and handle show true quality. Every detail reflects decades of trusted craftsmanship. The patented shock reduction grip changes the working experience. It reduces impact vibration by 70%. That means less fatigue during long, demanding jobs, and more control when every strike must count. The molded vinyl grip feels comfortable in your hand, secure, durable, and made for real-world welding work. Its chisel side clears slag with confident precision. The pointed side reaches tight spaces effortlessly. For intricate cleanup, detail work, and flawless finishing, this is the tool that respects your craft. Engineered for welders who value accuracy and endurance. Perfect for metalworkers tackling tough splatter and cleanup. Reliable in the shop, on the job site, every day. Since 1923, ESTWING has stood for American excellence. Proudly made in Rockford, Illinois, with care. A hammer built to support your best work. A grip designed to support your hardest days. Because great tools help great hands do more. Choose comfort, strength, and precision in one tool. Choose ESTWING and finish every weld with confidence. Number 7. My cables were failing, and the job was collapsing. The clock screamed louder than my toolbox ever could. Every cut felt wrong, slow, and dangerously unreliable. Then I reached for an ordinary pair of scissors. They looked tough enough, but disaster was waiting. The blades slipped, crushed insulation, and wasted precious time. I thought the whole project was doomed, until I spotted the Klein tools 2100-5, compact, heavy-duty, and made for real electrical work. Tempered steel gave them a brutal, unshakable edge. The nickel-plated finish fought corrosion like a shield. Then the cut happened clean, sharp, almost terrifying. Ethernet cables, wires, plastics, even light metals surrendered instantly. No fray, no struggle, no second attempt. Just precision that felt almost unfair. The scraper and file revealed another hidden advantage. Oxidation vanished from copper wires in seconds. My repair work suddenly looked faster and cleaner. The ergonomic handles saved my hand from fatigue. The adjustable screw hinge matched the job perfectly. Left-handed or right-handed, the control felt flawless. This was not a simple scissors anymore. It was a field weapon for electricians and technicians. Made in the USA, built with relentless craftsmanship, trusted by professionals who cannot afford mistakes. The Compact 5. 2 5-inch size vanished into my pocket, but its performance hit like a full-size powerhouse. Now every cut is faster, cleaner, and more confident. For demanding electrical and telecom work, this is it. Choose the Klein Tools 2100-5 and cut with authority. Number 8. Rain taps softly as a weekend project begins. A homeowner studies a blank wall, planning something bigger. Shelves, a TV mount, and frames wait nearby. But hidden dangers lurk behind the surface. He reaches for the stud finder wall scanner. Orange body, sleek grip, and a bright LCD glow. One press wakes its intelligent micro-sensor chip. Instantly, the wall comes alive with signals. It scans fast, searching for studs and edges. Then it reveals the exact center with confidence. Audio beeps guide every move with precision. The backlit display stays clear in dim light. No guessing, no tapping, no wasted time. He switches to stud scan for the first target. A strong reading marks the wood framing behind plaster. Next, deep scan uncovers wider hidden obstacles. Pipes and wires appear before any drill touches. Metal scan mode locates plumbing with ease. Live AC wire detection adds vital peace of mind. Every signal helps prevent damage and costly mistakes. Soon, the bracket holes are perfectly aligned. The TV mount goes up securely and cleanly. Shelves level out, strong and ready for use. Bathroom handles, cabinets, and frames follow with confidence. What once felt risky now feels effortless. For DIYers, homeowners, and professionals, it delivers certainty. A practical gift for safer, smarter home projects. reliable, versatile, and built for everyday wall detection. Find the center, avoid hazards, and work faster. Upgrade your toolkit with this 5-in-1 wall scanner. Number 9. Ever try measuring and suddenly become the villain? The tape snaps back like it has personal beef, and now the job site is laughing at you. You wanted one measurement. It wanted a comeback tour. Then meet my secret weapon, Stanley Fatmax, 33 to 730. Yes, the big boss tape measure. 1 1/4 inch blade? Absolutely monstrous. That extra width gives serious standout power. Translation: less wobble, more control, less chaos. At 30 feet, it handles bigger layouts easily. No more acting brave with tiny, useless tapes. This thing says, I measure professionally. Fatmax durability means it can survive daily abuse. Construction dust? Renovation mess? It eats that for breakfast. The housing looks tough because it is tough. Contractors love it. DIYers love it. Gravity fears it. Clear markings keep readings fast and drama-free. Because squinting at numbers should be illegal. The hook holds firm like it pays rent. So your measurements stay accurate, not emotionally unstable. Need long reach? This tape stretches without panic. Need repeat use? It stays ready for round 2. Need reliability? Stanley basically said, bet. This is the tape measure that shows up early and actually does the work. No flexing, no excuses, just clean measurements. Your old tape measure is now officially retired. Let it rest. It fought bravely and lost. Upgrade to the Stanley Fatmax, 33 to 730. Bigger blade, longer reach, tougher build, easy win. Get the tape measure that measures harder than your problems. Stanley Fatmax, because the job site deserves a main character. Number 10. Comparing utility knives. Here's the smarter Milwaukee option. Regular knives cut cardboard, but struggle with heavier job site tasks. Milwaukee Fastback handles boxes, carpet, wire stripping, and scoring. Many single knives mean one tool, one backup, limited versatility. This set gives you 2 knives for different daily jobs. One compact knife stays light. One larger knife adds capability. The larger Fastback includes a gut hook and wire stripper. That means fewer tool swaps during busy contractor work. Blade changes are tool-free, so replacements happen in seconds. No fiddling with screws or wasting time on site. Compare storage, loose blades, clutter drawers, and create safety risks. Milwaukee includes a 5-0 blade dispenser for organized, safe access. Mount it in your workshop or garage for easy use. Ergonomic handles and belt clips improve comfort and carry convenience. For contractors, handymen, and DIYers, this set delivers more value. Choose Milwaukee Fastback and keep cutting tasks moving efficiently. Those were our top 10 rugged workshop essentials that every hard-working dad deserves in his garage, workshop, or DIY space. From staying prepared with reliable tools and better organization to adding comfort and convenience to every project, these upgrades prove that the best gifts are often the ones people never buy for themselves. If you found a favorite on this list, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gear recommendations, workshop upgrades, and practical everyday essentials.